Today's second unboxing is something that I just got off of Amazon. It took a while to get here. I'm assuming it came from China. So this is the Mecha Depot meeting area. It's 1/18 scale, which is what I do as my jam. When the packaging came, it was slightly crushed, so Amazon. Interesting package. Let's see. It's a slipcase, I guess, so you can store it. Here's the box. Got that plasticky smell. Oh, wow. Everything's pre-painted. It's not like a model kit. That's so cool. So, box is empty. I guess what I should probably do is assemble this thing off camera. And that might take a while. It does come with a diagram book, instructions. Tells you what comes in it. And then it shows the assembly. So I'm going to pause this and then I will give you guys a proper view of this. So this is it pretty much assembled. I left the railings off because I did break one as I was trying to remove it. The pegs on this thing are problematic. If you do decide to get these, you got to be real careful when you're assembling it. I got Peter Chris on one of the chairs and Mr. Kenny in the back just to show you what it looks like in scale. Tables are pretty neat. The chairs are really detailed, more than I was expecting. But it's a really neat piece. I have an idea what I'm going to use it for. I do have my click and play military playset, and I'm going to see if it actually fits in there. It might not. It's actually pretty tall in the back, but it'll look good because it's the kind that you can pull part of it off and look inside. Pull the shell off of it. I might do a video showcasing that, but for right now, this is what it looks like, and I'm pretty happy with it. Is it worth $50? That depends. You willing to spend it? I think it is. You got to be careful. These pegs are wicked tight, so you need to just make sure that you're pretty ginger with it. I'm gluing the piece that I broke off, and hopefully that'll fix it. I don't know if it will or not. The plastic, it's not brittle. It does have some give to it, but it's kind of spongy, if that makes any kind of sense. I'm using plastic weld on it. I'm going to see if that sets. If not, I'm just going to use super glue. But if you've got any questions and if you like this review, let me know in the comments. I'll catch you kids on the flip side.